Bullhorn's candidate search increases your sourcing productivity with many impressive features, including suggested keywords, saved favorites, and job and candidate matching. You access the candidate search from the candidate list. Depending on your personal preference and comfort level, you can alternate between basic and advanced. The advanced search allows you to create your own search string using comma-separated values or Boolean logic. You can learn more about how to do this in our advanced searching video. If you roll your mouse over this magnifying glass icon, Bullhorn displays the list of fields on the candidate record that both of these views take into consideration. Note that this does not include notes. In this video, we'll focus on the basic search, which provides a form that can help you organize and prioritize your keywords by requiring them, which is for all of your must-have skills, making them optional, which is useful for when you have multiple spellings of a word or similar skills and a client only needs one or the other, and finally, excluding them from your results entirely. If we select the Only Search Description checkbox, we can also choose to only search the resume fields of the candidate records, rather than all of the fields that we saw listed back on the advanced view. You can define specific additional fields to search down below. Let's enter our first two keywords as required items. When typing your terms, make sure to press the Enter key after each one. You want to see them encapsulated inside of the gray bubbles. Once you have entered a keyword and created a bubble, you can reposition the keyword into any of the rows, or click the X's to remove them from the search entirely. Then we'll enter our optional terms. Candidates returned in this search can have either of these terms somewhere in the searched fields. In this example, we don't have anything we need to exclude. Instead, if we expand this suggested keyword section, you'll see a list of suggested terms that you can drag and drop into the search boxes. This list will always be relevant to the terms you've already provided, as Bullhorn monitors search patterns and picks the keywords that are most commonly associated with one another in the same search string. This list will continue to learn from searches and adapt moving forward. Let's add a couple of them to our search. Now, more often than not, especially if you're searching for candidates with a specific job in mind, you'll want to limit your results to a certain location. In the Additional Criteria section, let's find the Address field, which is essentially the city, state, country, and zip code fields all rolled into one. You can use the radius modifier to find candidates that all live within a certain distance, either miles or kilometers away. But note that the candidate must have the zip code field filled out in their record in order for this to work. Finally, let's select the Status field and limit our search to candidates that are either new leads or active. When we click Search, our results display. View the Managing Your Candidate List and Search Results video to learn about what to do next, or view the Conducting an Advanced Candidate Search to learn about Boolean searching.